Look around you. Everything you see, everything you touch, everything that exists owes a silent debt to a hero. Not a hero of flesh and blood, but a hero of thought, a concept, a number. That hero is zero. Zero might seem like nothing, an absence, a void. But in its nothingness lies its power. Zero is the cornerstone of mathematics, the linchpin of our counting system, the silent partner in every equation ever written. Without zero, our world of science, technology, and even finance crumbles. But zero's story isn't so simple. Unlike the other numbers, zero's origins are shrouded in mystery. It didn't appear overnight. It wasn't the brainchild of a single mind. Zero was a slow dawning, a gradual realization that emerged from the collective intellect of humanity across cultures and continents. So, let's embark on a journey through time. Let's trace the footsteps of zero, from its humble beginnings to its current reign as the unsung hero of our numerical world. Imagine a world without zero, a world where counting was limited to what you could touch and see. Early humans lived in this world. They counted with their fingers, with notches on bones, with piles of stones. But the concept of nothing as a number, that was a leap too far. For these early societies, numbers represented something tangible. 1 meant a single animal, 5 meant a handful of berries. These numbers had a direct relationship with the physical world. The idea of nothing as a quantity simply didn't compute. But as civilizations grew, so too did their need for more sophisticated counting methods. They needed to track larger quantities, to record astronomical observations, to build grand structures. And so, the seeds of zero were sown. The journey towards zero began not with a number, but with a concept, the concept of a placeholder. Our journey begins in ancient Mesopotamia, the land between two rivers, home to the Sumerians and Babylonians. Here, amidst the fertile valleys of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the world's first cities rose, and with them the need for complex record-keeping. The Sumerians developed a counting system based on 60, a system that still influences our timekeeping today. But they faced a problem: how to represent large numbers clearly and concisely. Their solution was ingenious, a system of cuneiform symbols pressed into clay tablets, with a special symbol to denote an empty space. This symbol, a double wedge, wasn't zero itself. It was a placeholder, a way to distinguish between numbers like 1, 10, and 100. But it was a crucial step. For the first time, a civilization had developed a way to represent the absence of a value within a numerical system. The Babylonians, who inherited the Sumerian counting system, continued to refine the use of this placeholder. They used it in their astronomical calculations, their architectural plans, their intricate trade networks. The placeholder was becoming an indispensable tool. But Mesopotamia wasn't the only civilization grappling with the concept of nothingness. Half a world away, another culture was making its own strides towards zero. Across the Atlantic Ocean, in the steamy jungles of Central America, the Maya civilization was flourishing. The Maya were renowned astronomers and mathematicians, developing a sophisticated calendar system that tracked the movements of the stars and planets with astonishing accuracy. At the heart of the Mayan calendar lay a profound realization: the concept of zero. The Maya used a system of dots and bars to represent numbers, and they had a specific symbol for zero, a shell-like glyph that represented completion and wholeness. Unlike the Babylonian placeholder, the Mayan zero was a number in its own right. It had a value, a position within the numerical system. The Maya used zero in their calculations, adding it, subtracting it, and even using it as a starting point for their calendar cycles. The Mayan zero is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Isolated from the intellectual currents of the old world, the Maya arrived at a sophisticated understanding of zero independently, demonstrating that the human mind is drawn to this concept regardless of geography or culture. But the story of zero doesn't end here. Its journey was far from over.